Buying a home is the biggest purchase most people will ever make. And before you lay out all that cash, you get to look at it, maybe 2 times. Let's face it, you probably had more chances to see that shirt you bought at the mall. Usually, you only get enough time to determine that you like the house and the neighborhood. But that still leaves some unknowns. Like, will the water heater suddenly spring a leak? Or will your furnace decide that it just doesn't want to work anymore? Even your home inspection can really only tell you how things are at the moment. It can't predict the future. That's where a home warranty comes in. For only a few $100s, a home warranty covers important items in your new home for an entire year. Items like kitchen appliances, air conditioning systems, heating systems, washers, dryers, plumbing, and electrical systems. If any of these items stop working, you can simply call the warranty number and a skilled service technician will be sent to your home. No need to go online and search for a repairman you hope will be reliable and fair. It's all taken care of with a single call. The system will be repaired, or if it's beyond repair, replaced. All you need to pay is a small service fee. The items and systems covered by your home warranty are some of the most expensive to repair and replace. Your home warranty gives you peace of mind so you don't have to worry about things that could go wrong with your new home. You can focus on all the things that are going right. To learn more about purchasing a home warranty and what it can cover, ask your Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Fox & Roach agent for information about our home warranty products.